TNV Academy viewers. Welcome back to our channel TNV Academy, where we simplify ISO standards and make them practical for real businesses. Today we are diving into ISO 10001 Customer Satisfaction Codes. If you have ever wondered how organizations can systematically handle complaints, enhance customer experience, and build loyalty, this video is for you. By the end of this session, you will understand why ISO 10001 is not just a standard, but a powerful tool to transform customer relationships. So let's get started. Understanding ISO 10001. ISO 10001 is an international standard that provides guidelines for establishing codes of conduct for customer satisfaction. It is designed to help organizations, regardless of size or industry, create clear policies for handling complaints, feedback, and expectations. The essence of ISO 10001 lies in ensuring transparency, fairness, accessibility, and continuous improvement in customer interactions. Businesses adopting these guidelines reduce complaints, enhance customer trust, and gain a competitive edge. Think of it as a roadmap for turning every customer experience into an opportunity to build loyalty. Now, core principles of ISO 10001. At the heart of ISO 10001 are four fundamental principles: transparency, responsibility, accessibility, and continuous improvement. Transparency ensures that customers understand how complaints are addressed. Responsibility emphasizes that all employees know their role in maintaining customer satisfaction. Accessibility requires companies to provide easy-to-use feedback channels, while continuous improvement uses customer feedback to refine products and services. For example, a telecom company that logs, tracks, and resolves every complaint not only makes customers happy, but also identifies systemic issues for improvement. Implementing ISO 10001 in your organization. Implementing ISO 10001 involves 5 key steps. First, develop a customer satisfaction policy to define your organization's commitment. Second, design a clear code of conduct outlining rules for complaints and feedback. Third, communicate this code internally and externally so both employees and customers understand it. Fourth, establish accessible feedback mechanisms through hotlines, emails, forms, or apps. Finally, monitor, track, and review complaints and feedback, using this data to continuously improve processes. ISO 10001 is not a document to store on a shelf. It is a living system that evolves with your customer needs. Now let's have a look on the real-life examples. Many global organizations effectively follow ISO 10001 principles. E-commerce giants like Amazon provide structured return and complaint processes. Food delivery platforms like Zomato and Swiggy track complaints and offer automated resolutions. Tech companies such as Apple have robust customer support mechanisms to transform dissatisfied customers into loyal advocates. Across these examples, the common factor is a clear, well-communicated code of conduct combined with accountability. Now let's discuss about the benefits and ROI. Adopting ISO 10001 delivers multiple tangible benefits. It increases customer loyalty, reduces operational costs from repeated complaints, enhances brand reputation, and drives continuous product and service improvement. Companies that treat complaints as opportunities consistently outperform those that ignore them. ISO 10001 provides a framework to turn negative experiences into positive outcomes, building long-term value for the organization. ISO 10001 is more than a standard. It is a mindset focused on clarity, communication, and consistency. By implementing customer satisfaction codes, your organization can build trust, resolve issues effectively, and create long-lasting customer relationships. Start small, measure results, and scale gradually. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy. And comment below which principles of ISO 10001 will you implement first in your organization. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.